How is everyone doing? Shankar Puri here today we're gonna go over the charts, see what's going on, guys. Get ready for the week, and have an overview of what has been happening. Without further ado, let's dive right in. Alright guys, so today let's first look at the S&P 500. So you can see right here now, guys, we have actually broken this area here. So we're now in an uptrend for the S&P 500. This is the 1 hour time frame. And like I was saying, for us to really confirm that we were heading into uptrend is we needed to break this area here. So now that we've broken this area, let's see what happens when the price pulls back, if it does pull back. If it doesn't pull back, we'll look for areas here at 4,500. But yeah, so this was a strong support area here, guys, and the price came down and then it pushed back up. And if we see on the 1 hour time frame, we can see that the price came down here, price came down and then broke above and then maintained and started heading higher. So for us, guys, that was an indication that, hey, we were gonna head further higher. But for us to say that we're reversing into an uptrend, we really needed to see the price action break above this high right here. So it has broken above, but we want to we want to see some more price action, some more movement this week to make sure that we're actually confirming this uptrend. So we really want to just watch that this week, guys. And if we look at some of the S&P 500 companies, so if we look at Tesla, guys, Tesla's looking weak in my opinion. It's looking a lot weaker in my opinion. So we're having lows, on the daily time frame. It is looking like a low, high, lower low. Right, so we're still in that downtrend, and you can see this candle had this bearish candle on the break. If we go to the 1 hour time frame, the price action is just against this resistance here. So we are currently just considering, will that Tesla actually continue to break further down? So that's something that we always want to keep in mind. Microsoft, guys, is having a nice push. So we are in price discovery now for Microsoft. So that is good for you guys. If you have positions in Microsoft, that you can definitely, you're definitely going to see more benefit in the short term. Let's look from 2013 to now. It's increased 10x, so that's 10x. So you put 100,000, it would be a million in 10 years. That's amazing, right? So S&P 500 is looking good. If we look at Bitcoin right now, guys, Bitcoin is still grinding up. We're looking for some type of resistance at 41,352. So we are looking for some type of resistance there. Currently, it is just holding, just trending upwards, grinding upwards. If we look at the 1 hour time frame, guys, we have just formed we're just in a consolidation zone. So we're consolidating in between here and here. So we're just consolidating right now in between this area right here. Right, so that's really what we would like to see. We would just keep in mind with the Bitcoin price that on the 1 hour time frame we are in consolidation. On the daily time frame, we're currently in between this consolidation point between 41k and 32k. So just consider that, guys, as we are moving up with Bitcoin. And good news, if you want the price of Bitcoin to push up, is for the USDT dominance. We have had a fall in the USDT dominance between the support and resistance areas, so we are heading further down. So we can look for areas right here. We can look for areas right here at 5% for the USDT dominance to head further down, and this actually indicates to us that Bitcoin's actually going to be heading higher as the USDT dominance does decrease. And you can see, guys, this is kind of a distribution right there, right? So now let's look at the Bitcoin dominance. The Bitcoin dominance, guys, it is looking like it is getting weaker. We are getting some type of rejection here at the 53%, and you can see that when Bitcoin dominance goes down, the altcoins do increase in price. But what I like to see, guys, is us actually break this level. So we haven't broken it yet, We have not broken this level yet, so to me it does still look like we are gonna have altcoins, you know, still doing well, but maybe not in the altcoin season that a lot of people are expecting. So if we look at Chainlink, guys, look at Chainlink has done very well, you know, and like I was saying in one of the videos before, is that Chainlink was looking bullish as it was having this consolidation here, right? So this is a period of accumulation and consolidation, and on the breakout of that consolidation, guys, it's been up 67% since October 23rd. So that is a big move. So you want to consider that while you guys are trading and investing, is you want to look at coins that are displaying higher highs and higher lows, right? These are the moves you want to get into. And so, you know, if you get in here, you know, let's say you're seeing this price action, you're seeing these higher highs and higher lows, and getting into these areas here is where, you know, you can start making a good amount of money, right? That's 100%. You put 50 grand in there, that's 50 grand within a month. So you guys want to consider that and understand that these areas here, this is accumulation. So this was a whole accumulation from June 22 to October 23. So that's a whole, almost, that's over a year, right? It's over a year of accumulation. So you guys always want to consider that while you're investing and trading in these coins, and you're looking for coins that has the accumulation. That was a perfect one, you know. So we do have other cryptocurrencies that are making moves up, guys. We have 39% for eGold. We have AVAX here. Wow, AVAX has made a move. And like I said, we had this double bottom here, and what we were looking for is that we were looking for the price to break this high. So now the price has broken this high. Now we can say, okay, on a pullback, we'll be looking for entries. On a pullback, we'll be looking for entries. So if we get pullback to this area here at $15, we'll be looking to enter. Or if we get we break above here and we get a pullback, we'll be looking to enter there, right? So that's really what we're looking for these prices, bro, right now. And the thing is, it's not even alt season, guys. And if we look at a lot of these charts, a lot of these altcoins are moving up very quickly. So yeah, look at this, guys. We have DYDX moving up really nicely here for the price. So you can see we had the price broke above this resistance zone here. All right, broke above this resistance zone here, and we're up 36%. So that's amazing, guys. You know, and you can trade spot on this, man. You can trade spot on this. You don't need leverage. You know, if you have 10,000, let's say you put 10,000 in here, that's 30, 40, 50%. You made 5,000 within, from November 1st to November 13th. So that's 13 days. You would have made 5 grand. Not bad, right? So yes, guys, we have other cryptocurrencies, man. So areas to buy. So what I want to go over, guys, is, okay, let's look at this perfect example. So we are looking at Mana. Mana's broken out. You have a lot of volume here. Now it looks like we can hit an uptrend. Where would we buy Mana? On the pullback, and this bullish candle is where I would buy a position in Mana on the daily time frame, right? So I'd buy on this green candle or the blue candle, right? And then you can see Mana completely shot up. And how much did that move? 35%, right? So that's a good move within a couple days. So from October 28th until November 3rd, that's a good move. You put 100K in that, that's 38K within a couple days, right? So consider this, guys. Comp, you know, comp isn't something that I was looking at. Litecoins always moving. Let's look at the good old XRP that everybody loves. So XRP is moving bullish. You know, I'm not the biggest fan of XRP, but it is making higher highs and higher lows. We've had this break of positive air here. We have, you know, higher highs and higher lows being formed. We've broken above this area here, right? And then we have this up here. Right, so this is the next area for XRP to get to, and you know, you can see that even back here we have a lot of resistance at this area. So that would be, if I would not necessarily get into XRP right now. Maybe wait for a pullback at 29 or 43. Yeah, at 29 or break above 43 cents. Oh, this is the XRP market cap, but it probably looks the same. Yeah, so it looks very similar. Yeah, so if we're looking here, guys, we have boom, and so the price action is looking bullish. What would I do? I would wait for a pullback back into this area, or if we broke above 83 cents, I'll pull back and then head higher, right? So that's something that you guys want to really consider for this, is that prices for these altcoins are heading up. The bull market has started, guys, for Bitcoin. Like I said, if you've been following this channel, guys, we have been calling this. I don't want to say we've been calling this. We've just been anticipating this, because we are not wizards of the market. We are just reacting, and we don't know what's going to happen next. But you can see here, guys, still in the smart money accumulation. Bull market is coming soon, so you guys want to prepare yourself, get ready, get your positions in place, and just remember, don't be greedy. And don't FOMO in and out. This market's going to be here for 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 years, and you have so much time to make money in this market. We're just at the beginning. All right, so without further ado, guys, I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and share, and tune in next time if there's any cryptocurrencies or even stocks you want me to go over to look at. I am more than willing to. We love trading the markets here and give you a no nonsense, no hype, really just going through the charts in a way that you can understand via price action, as it's the best way to trade. You can add Fibonacci's on and whatnot if you want, but truly price action is key, and everything else after that is an assistance, right? So I hope you guys enjoy your day, and tune in next time. Take care.